Despite the massive multi-agency rescue effort in Uttarakhand, about 10,000 people are still stranded 9 days after the flash floods hit the state. No effort is being spared to reach out, but bad weather is hampering the airlift operations by helicopter sorties. Alternative routes and foot tracks are being opened. Even rope bridges are being used to take the stranded to safety.
A major breach in the road to Badrinath along the Alaknanda river. And a little ahead, a big group of pilgrims stranded along the river bank. But the ITBP is at work building rope bridges across the Alaknanda.
This is one of the 4 rope bridges made by the ITBP along the river Alaknanda. In fact, the people who have been rescued over here are the ones who are walking the entire distance from Badrinath to over here. In fact, people have been walking for the last 5 days for about 25 kilometers where they're between non-existent roads and through the jungles. In fact, they've been speaking to people who said that they've been sleeping in the jungles, and today, finally, the forces, ITBP and the army have managed to make this ropeway bridge.
It's a huge relief for these people who have been trapped ever since the flash floods paralyzed the road network between Badrinath and Joshimath.
This is one of the bridges being made by the ITBP along the river Alaknanda. In fact, this bridge is being made to facilitate the passengers or the pilgrims who are stranded across the river. These pilgrims were walking from Badrinath, which is about 30 kilometers from here for last 5 days, and they were stranded on the other banks of the river Alaknanda. Today, the ITBP made these 3 ropeways where the stranded pilgrims were made to cross this river, and after that they were evacuated to safer places. These 3 bridges, and there are 2 more bridges which the river was made.
But in many areas like this stretch on the way to Uttarkashi, stranded pilgrims are having to trek on treacherous paths to reach to safety, even as bad weather has hampered rescue efforts.
So it started drizzling around 5 o'clock, after which rescue work had to be stopped. So just 6 hours of rescue work today, and very few people as compared to all the other days were brought in. Only about 170 to 180 people were rescued from 3 different areas, including Badrinath.
Those rescued revealing the trauma they had to endure.
इतने छोटे रास्ते थे कि वहाँ से खाई में से गिरने का बहुत ज़्यादा डर था उस रास्ते, और 10-20 टाइम्स तो हम लोग फिसले होंगे. सिर्फ आर्मी लोग ही थे जिन्होंने हमें बचाया, और रास्ते में खाने पीने की उन्होंने हमें सुविधा दी जिससे हम लोग बच के आए.
बिल्कुल आर्मी वालों की फुल फ्लैग मदद है, इन्हीं की वजह से हम लोग बचे हैं.
Many of those who fell sick are being treated by the army in Joshimath.
हम जैसे नीचे आए तो रास्ता बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब था. पहाड़ों को चढ़ते चढ़ते हमारे को चेस्ट पेन हो गई और बड़ी दिक्कत हमें हुई है, और उसके बाद हमें हेली से यहाँ पर लेकर आए हैं.
Yet many more remain perched near river banks and on broken roads, hoping that weather will hold to let the rescuers reach them. Bureau Report, Times Now.